Do you notice little bits of skin flaking off around your cheeks and forehead? And does your skin feel itchy and tight every time you wash it? Then you probably have dry skin like me. So here are our picks for your perfect skincare routine with every product under Rs 500. Before we get to the products, something to keep in mind is to always use products that are thicker and creamier in consistency because they'll help give your skin the moisture it needs and then lock it in too. To start with, grab a cleanser that's creamy instead of a gel because it'll help clear out all the dirt on your skin without stripping away all the oils you desperately need. Try Nivea's Milk Delights Honey Face Wash. The milk and honey in it are both amazing ingredients for gently cleansing dry skin and keeping the pH balance of your skin just right. Although most people look at toners to shrink their pores and tighten the skin, people with dry skin should find a toner that nourishes and hydrates like Plum's Chamomile and White Tea Toner. It's full of antioxidants, so it helps prevent signs of early aging that anyone with dry skin is more prone to, and it's super refreshing too. Moisturizing dry skin in humid climates can be frustrating because although your skin needs the hydration, you don't want to be left feeling sticky and sweaty. Try Cetaphil's Ultra Hydrating Lotion, which absorbs quickly but keeps your skin feeling soft through the day. It has shea butter in it, which helps to lock moisture into your skin but won't clog your pores or cause breakouts. If you have dry skin, you need a sunscreen that will protect your skin and hydrate it at the same time. Biotique's Carrot Face Lotion Sunscreen has 40 SPF UVA and UVB protection and is an amazing hybrid of a moisturizer and sunscreen. The light texture absorbs really quickly and the carrot in it helps slow down aging. The best kind of mask to invest in for dry, flaky skin is a sheet mask because it helps trap the amazing serums that it's infused with into your skin. Our favorite sheet masks are from the Face Shop because they're full of great ingredients and come in so many different varieties that you can choose whatever you need to treat your specific skin concerns. We hope these product recommendations help you figure out exactly what works best for your skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.